Weekend Edition.
Welcome back. New video surveillance technology will be rolled out next month to help Australian businesses maintain social distancing in the workplace. Powered by artificial intelligence, the system includes contact tracing and COVID-19 mask detection capabilities without the need for a phone app.
As more Australians head back to the office and factories, a new tool will be activated on June 1st to make enforcing pandemic distancing rules easier. Developed by Motorola Solutions, this smart surveillance system will watch where people walk and where foot traffic is causing close contact. It will record it and report it for action. Artificial intelligence is doing all the heavy lifting, so real people don't have to watch hours of video. For example, if wearing a mask is a company policy, you'll be flagged by the system when you're not wearing one.
We take our role as practitioners of responsible AI very seriously and pay particular attention to designing products that empower decision makers and also design for privacy.
Surveillance tech can already easily track people in a crowd. Here's the system following a subject in yellow. It works the same way in COVID-19 tracing. Too close for too long, the system follows the trail like a detective. If successful, it could be a game changer in the battle to stop the spread of COVID-19 in the community. Juro Sen, Sky News.
To explain more, we have our Sunday morning tech expert, Juro Sen. Juro, we did see your package just earlier. Good morning to you. Obviously, this type of surveillance technology flags some serious privacy concerns. Should workers be worried at all?
Good morning, Janie. Yes, in that story you would have seen how very quickly it could target people and find out how far apart they were, and it's invaluable during this battle against COVID-19. But I think there are serious privacy concerns, but that really is up to the workers and the workplace to sort that out. Now, Motorola Solutions haven't said who's actually going to implement this, but I know that there will be campuses, like for educational purposes,